Did you know that the concrete walls surrounding our cities are slowly crumbling, replaced by natural green shields protecting us from floods and heat waves? Today, we explore how urban rewilding transforms riverbanks into thriving ecosystems. Urban rewilding is a powerful movement transforming abandoned lots and parks into habitats that support wildlife. It moves away from manicured lawns to create spaces where nature can truly thrive within our developed areas. By restoring riverbanks with native vegetation, cities act as natural sponges that absorb floodwaters instead of letting them rush into streets, providing a critical defense against extreme weather events. These green corridors also combat the urban heat island effect. The shade and joy, evaporation from these restored ecosystems significantly lower local temperatures compared to standard paved surfaces. Projects in cities like New York demonstrate that even small patches of land can host diverse plant growth and support local wildlife populations, turning gray zones into vibrant biological hubs. This approach builds sustainable urban resilience. By integrating nature into our infrastructure, we create adaptable environments that protect human communities and enhance biodiversity simultaneously. The result is a dual benefit: cooler, safer streets for residents and a robust ecosystem that acts as a living shield against climate challenges in our dense urban environments. Imagine your local river transformed into this kind of protective green space. What would you see if your city rewilded its banks? Share your ideas in the comments below.